Every network you go to will have a print server on it. One of the most fundamental tasks of any user on the network is to actually simply print documents. Printing can be more challenging than it actually seems. Many people think of printing on the network as the same as they would actually have set up at home. You just click print and it just comes out of the printer. Well, the challenge is when you have hundreds, maybe thousands of users in your printing environment, trying to manage the print jobs, the printers themselves, trying to determine when a printer is out of paper, when the toner is low or the ink is low on a printer, or if a cartridge is not properly seated in a printer. Well, in an enterprise, that can be a very challenging thing. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to install a print server. Then I'm going to show you how to manage the print server itself and all of the printers on that server. To get started, the first thing I want to show you is how to install the print server role. Back on my Windows server, I'm just going to go to Add Roles and Features. In the Before You Begin, we're just going to choose Next. Role-based or feature-based installation, I'm going to click Next on that. And the machine I'm on right now is named RTS-DC1, so I'm going to choose that machine. I'm going to click Next. Now, I could install this on a remote machine. If I wanted this to be on the RTS SVR1, I could simply choose that machine and it would remotely install the print server role for me. But I'm going to stay on the local machine I'm on, the RTS-DC1. When I look at the list of roles I can install, print and document services, that's in the list. So I'm going to check print and document services, and I'm going to click these add features. The features I'm adding will be the remote server administration tools for print management. So we're going to click add features. Next. I'm going to accept the defaults on the feature screen. I'm going to click next here. Now, this gives us some information about printing itself. One of the things that is more prominent in Server 2016 are the Type 4 print drivers. Type 4 print drivers allow you to print from nearly any device. If you have an iPhone or Android or tablet, pretty much any device. If you use Type 4 print drivers, you can print to almost any printer from that device. Most home printers would use Type 4 print drivers. Well, Server 2016 has full support for those Type 4 drivers, as well as the older Type 3 drivers. So that's just informative, but there's nothing to actually configure here. So I'm going to click Next. On the role services, the only role that I intend to install is the print server role. So I'm going to leave that screen as it is. I'm going to choose Next. Now, I am not required to restart, so I do not have to select Restart the server. So we'll leave that blank, and I'm just going to choose Install. That'll take just a moment, and it's going to install the print services role. All right, that installation has succeeded. In the next section, we're going to take a look at managing the print server itself.